Still looking for an exquisite cavitation machine? Small size, multifunctional, 6-in-1 40K machine. Don't miss it! 40K Annoization Cavitation, silent fat-busting technology, produces less ringing in the ears, delivering a more comfortable experience. Advanced 3D radio frequency firms and lifts skin, improving skin texture. Vacuum suction and bipolar RF accelerates fat removal, promotes lymphatic circulation, and boosts metabolism. 5μW laser pads consolidates body shaping results. 6-in-1 compact design, sleek and versatile for use at home or in beauty salons.